cheering from the sidelines, understanding, to root for someone. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very common and heartwarming phrase in the English language, to root for someone. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone interested in idiomatic expressions, this video will help you understand not just the meaning but also how and when to use this phrase effectively. So, let's get started. To root for someone is an idiomatic expression that means to support, encourage, or hope for the success of a person or team in any type of competition, challenge, or difficult situation. It's about offering your moral support, often in the context of sports, but it can be applied to any scenario where someone is striving to achieve something. The origin of this phrase is somewhat debated, but it's widely accepted that it comes from the British expression, to rout for someone, which means to bellow or cheer. Over time, in American English, it evolved into root, aligning with the idea of cheering or supporting someone enthusiastically. 1. In sports, during the World Cup, I always root for my home country. It's exciting to see them play on such a big stage. 2. In personal achievements, my best friend is taking her driving test tomorrow, and I'm really rooting for her. I know she's nervous, but I believe in her ability. 3. In entertainment and competitions, I'm rooting for my favorite singer on that talent show. He has an amazing voice, and I hope he wins. These examples show that you can root for someone in various contexts, not just in sports but also in personal milestones and public competitions. When you say you're rooting for someone, it's not just about the words, it's about the sentiment behind them. It signifies empathy, connection, and a genuine desire for someone else's happiness or success. This phrase can boost someone's morale, especially in challenging times, and remind them they're not alone in their endeavors. Moreover, expressing that you're rooting for someone helps strengthen relationships and builds a supportive community, whether among friends, family, or even fans and their favorite teams or personalities. We hope this video has shed some light on the beautiful phrase, to root for someone, and inspired you to use it in your daily life to spread positivity and support around you. Remember, sometimes a few simple words of encouragement can make a huge difference in someone's life. So, who are you rooting for today? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. We're always here to support your journey in learning English and exploring its rich tapestry of expressions. Until next time, keep rooting for those around you.